Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to write the OQL query for association entity. So let's start. This is my domain model and I have some data. You can see this is our data. So just right click on this module, go to other and click on dataset. Give the name whatever you want. I am giving OQL. Click OK. And here we will write our query. Select book name as book value, comma, price as price value and comma. First we have to write the module name where entity is available. So in our case module name is OQL series. Then use dot for accessing the entity name and write the parent entity name. So in our case book entity is parent. Now use slash. You can see we are able to access the association. Click here. Now use slash and you can see we are able to access the author entity. Click here and use slash for accessing the attribute. So you can see author name attribute is we are able to access the author name attribute. Click here and use and write the attribute name whatever you want to use. So I am writing author value. Now write the main entity name from where we are selecting these attributes. So in our case, we are selecting these all attributes from book entity. So let's write from OQL series dot book. So our OQL query is ready. Now save this. Go to go to this microflow. After dot, we have to write the dataset name. So in our case, OQL. Click OK and click OK. Now save this. Now we have to change one more thing. Go to domain model and you can see here we have only two attributes name book value and price value. But in the data set we have three attributes book value, price value, author value. So we have to make this. Click OK. Click OK. Now save this. Go to go to home web page and here add another column and select the author attribute. You can see here author value. Click OK. Now save this. Everything is ready. Now run the application. You can see we are able to read the association entity as well here. I hope you like the video. See you in the next video. Thank you.